It's another exciting time in Bloom's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be filling a client's order. For some of you who do not know, I cater on the side. So this client has ordered fried rice and jollof rice. So I'm going to be filming just the fried rice. And what I usually like to do is to make my own chicken stock or chicken broth. So that way we can really infuse flavor into this rice today. So we're going to start first by showing you how to prep your chicken, cook your chicken, and get that beautiful broth that you can now use to cook the rice. If today is your first time joining me, please kindly show your support. Click on the like button, share this video with your friends, share it on your platform, and subscribe if you haven't. Also, do not forget to turn on your notification. That way you see beautiful, amazing videos I release every week. Sit back now, relax. I'll be right back and get started with the chicken. Thank you. Welcome back. So we're going to start first by cooking our chicken so we can make our own chicken stock. So I have chicken here, and for my spices I'm going to be using chicken stock powder, garlic powder, curry, nutmeg, thyme, rosemary, and here I have 2 bay leaves, and we're going to put salt to taste. And then these ones I'm going to be blending: half a leek, 1 celery, fresh ginger, the red onion, and then a bunch of cilantro. The white one I'm going to cut into small sizes, and then we'll prepare our chicken stock. Keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So for the fried rice, I'm going to be using parboiled rice. We're going to be using gizzard. So you can always use shrimp, chicken, or liver for your garnish for your fried rice. I'm going to be using a whole kernel corn, some peas, and for my spices, I'll use chicken bouillon powder, curry, turmeric, and thyme. And here I have more cayenne pepper if I need a little bit more heat in there. Salt to taste. And then for my vegetables, I'm going to be using the remaining of the leek that we blended before, 1 jumbo carrot, some string beans, spring onions, 1 large sweet onion, and then bell pepper, yellow, orange, red, and green. So you can use any combination of vegetables you want. So I'm going to start first by quickly cutting my gizzard into smaller pieces. And we're going to cook that with a little bit of salt and some of the spices over here. are all done. Our beautiful fried rice is ready. Very, very yummy and delicious. And I have paired this with some chicken. So the client has already picked up her order. Amazing, amazing. She was really happy with it. So give this a try. Let me know how it goes. And until next time when I bring you another amazing recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day. See ya.